Okay, hello everyone. My name is Wada Nugra Ahmad, and in this video, I will explain about my final project, Big Data course. And my title project is Sentiment Analysis of YouTube Comment on Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. Okay, so if you didn't know the song of Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen, so the song is like Mama, oh, I don't wanna die. And others, you can listen in YouTube or music platform like Spotify and others. Okay, next, why I am choose this title? Because number one is social media platform contain rich user opinion, and number two is YouTube music video often receive thousands of comment, and number three is Queen Bohemian Rhapsody generated strong public reaction. Okay, so the research problem and objective for the problem is what are the dominant sentiment in the comment, and for objective is analyze sentiment and visualize insight. Okay, so for the scope and limitation, so for the dataset, I am focused on 1000 comment from official video because in this official video it's too many comment, so I'm just get 1000 comment from this video. Okay, number two is English language only. Okay, so because this is the international song, so I am using text box because the commenter is, yeah, I think when using English language. Okay, so and the last is sentiment categories. So I am divided to three categories for the sentiment, namely positive, neutral, and negative. Okay, for literature review, Textbook is a widely used sentiment analysis tools, and Profuse study use it for special social media and review data, and Glass is YouTube comment are informal and real time. Okay, for the methodology, I'm using for method, namely data collection via YouTube API, text preprocessing and cleaning, sentiment analysis using textbook, and data visualization using Python and Streamlit. Okay, I will show to you uh, one by one, number by number, and we start from number one is data collection via YouTube API. Okay, so how I get data from YouTube. Okay, this is for the code. I am using Google Colab for processing data. Okay, this is the install and import. Yeah, you can see in here. And now this is the for configuration API. So I need API key for from YouTube and video ID. Okay, so how I get this API from YouTube? Okay, I will show to you how I get this. Okay, so the first you can type mm, Google developer.console. Ah, okay, you can access this. Wait, you can access this website. Okay, you can see in here. So next, you can type in here YouTube data API. Nah, V3. Okay, so uh, you can click in here, but because if you first access this website, okay, in here is enable. So because I am using here, so I am click manage. It's okay. So after that, you click credential. Okay, so in credential uh, you click create credential API key, and okay, you can wait. Nah, this is for API key from YouTube. Okay, so you can copy and you can paste in, yeah, this code in here. So the next is video ID. So how I get video ID? Okay, first you can open YouTube first. Okay, and then you can click Bohemian Rhapsody in here. Okay, so if you click the video, wait. Nah, if you click this video, you can see in here in link video. So now the last code in here. Now uh, after equals, this is the video ID. So you can copy this video ID and you can paste in here. Okay, you can run and others you can see code for processing in here. Uh, and you can download this data. Okay. Okay, next is text preprocessing and cleaning. Okay, we move to other notebook in Google Colab because I'm using different notebook for preprocessing. So the first you can install and import library like I'm using Pandas for big data tools, yeah, for processing data, and I'm using NLTK, IRI, and others for the NLV. So next, I'm using Echelon model for, yeah, for processing data, and yeah, I am using TextBox. Okay, so why I'm using TextBox in here? Because this is because the commenter using English, so the library textbook I think it's good for, yeah, give the label like positive, negative, and neutral. Okay, okay, this is for the install and import library. Okay, for the load data, you can load data, yeah, based yeah, you get in code before. Okay, this is for the load data. Then this is for the pre-processing. Okay, so for the pre-processing, I'm using wait using IRI in here for the remove URLs and remove special chart. And for label sentiment, you can see in here I am using textbook in here for give labeling positive, negative, and neutral. Okay, and then you can save the result. Okay, so for the algorithm, I am using knife Bayes algorithm because I think it's good for process sentiment analysis in YouTube. Okay, this is for the code how I'm using for data collection and data processing. Okay, so for the sentiment analysis using textbook, yeah, I already show to you, and for data visualization using Python and Streamlit. Okay, so I will show to you my Streamlit in the end of video. Okay, so this is the dataset summary for total comment. I am using, or I am use just 1000 comment because if you see in here, now this is there are 1 million, or yeah, I think, oh no, 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 in here. Yeah, see, so many comment in this video, so I'm just get 1000 comment, and this is for the sample column like author, text, sentiment, like on, and others. You can see it. This is for data cleaning and labeling. I am remove function, link, non-text character, and then field missing value, labeling based on text property score. And this is for the sentiment distribution. So you can see in here from the neutral. Now there are, yeah, you can see in here for the number, and I think for the video, yeah, the top comment is neutral. Why? Because I think in you can see in it. Komentar this is for the neutral komentar terus ya, and this is for the result my data processing. And this is for the word cloud and key term. Visual representation of top word by sentiment. Example by love, masterpiece, legend, rip, and others. So you can see in here. This is for the wait. This is for the positive komentar. You can see like bass, queen, song, love, music, and others. It is for the negative komentar like bad song, crazy, nail, and others. You can see in here. And this is for the word called komentar netral. Okay, next, this is for the final deployment. For the final deployment, I am using Streamlit F with interactive component, and I'm include sentiment filters, trend chart, JSP export, and others. Okay, I will show to you my Streamlit. This is my link Streamlit. Okay, you can access this link in end of video. Okay, for the sentiment analysis bagaimana Rhapsody Queen YouTube comment. This project analysis YouTube comment using NLP and data visualization technique. Okay, for the sample data you can see in here. This is for sample data I am used. This is yeah already for sentiment like positive neutral and others. Okay, this is for the sentiment distribution. Number of comment for sentiment. Okay, so if you see in here. Okay, for neutral to domination uh, for the comment. This is for word cloud by sentiment. Okay, you can choose in here like if you want to see a word cloud by positive sentiment, you can click and okay, this is for the positive. Like wait. Okay, positive, negative. Okay, cause okay, I think my the signal is bad, so you can click in here, you can choose in here. Okay, next is for the sentiment composition. I am using pie chart for the sentiment. Okay, you can see in here, and this is top like comment. Okay, for the top like comment is thank you to all fans across the world for helping us hit 1 billion views comment, and we see I think so many comment in here, and this is sentiment trend over time. And if you want to download dataset, you can click download CSV in here. Okay. Okay, next is conclusion and future work. Neutral comment dominate due to factual quote text and useful insight from simple lexition-based method, and for the future, maybe you can use BERT or multilingual language support and more data. This is for reference and thank you. You can access or download my dataset in here. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you and see you.